Let me show you like one of the best headphones out there with a great audio quality is the QC35 II from Bose. Let's review it. Welcome back to my channel, Domenico Solazzin here, and today we are ready for a new tech review. We are going to review the new headphones, the QC35 II from Bose. I think it's like one of the best headphones that I ever tested, and the audio quality is just great. I use this like all day long and I really cannot stay without it. Using this I can really stay focused. They are noise cancelling headphones, so it's like I can listen like my favorite music, podcasts, being like totally isolated from the rest of the environment around me. So this is like from the same line of some of the most famous headphones from Bose, like the QC35, the QC25 that I use like for so many years and I still love it today, but this is a completely like new level of headphones. The audio is super good, it's probably one of the best out there, like you have a clean level of bass, and this headphone really make like shine every kind of music. The headphones are pretty comfortable and flexible. They are very lightweight, like I think like 230 grams. You have like a super soft foam on the top band here, and the leather on the ear cushion are just incredible. They are just really good. The ear caps are very comfortable. I never felt like overheat, like sweaty. I can use this like for really long time, even 8 hours straight work, and I never felt like so uncomfortable wearing them. Actually the opposite, I really felt super comfortable wearing them. I think the best part of these headphones is the battery life. It's like when it's fully charged you can have like 20-25 hours of continuously playing music, videos, podcasts, whatever you are listening for. And when it's connected with Bluetooth, you get like informed how much battery is left. One of the best features I think of the battery life is that you have like a feature, it's called like fast recharge, and with 50 minutes recharge you get like 2.5 hours of continuously using your headphones. That is like super fast and super useful for me. Like many of the time, like I am in the meetings, it's 10%, I have like 15 minutes ready, I recharge them and they are ready to go when my meetings start. You can find like controls in both caps, ear caps of the headphones, like in the left side and the right side. You have like control to get in touch with your Google Assistant. On the other you have like media keys for playing your music, going forward with your music to the next track, or just like get in touch with your Google Assistant or Siri. And that is like another feature, like you can use really these headphones with the Google Assistant and Siri, and this is like super helpful when you have just some question and you get the answer straight away in your headphones. The headphones is NFC enabled, so it's like you can pair it with your phone straight away. It's super fast, and this is like really like a thumbs up for Bose for implementing this in their headphone. Probably one of the things that are drawbacks for me looking at these headphones is still using like USB 2, and in 2020 maybe I was expecting like at least like USB-C already available for this kind of headphones, but maybe like the next generation. But this is like I felt like as a major drawbacks for these headphones. You got also like a case, it's super comfortable, it's similar to the one from the Q35, Q25 and QC25 and QC35, and super comfortable, small, easy to put like in your bag and travel away. So that is like as remain like as a good quality as it was before from the previous headphones. There are also some wiring with the product. There is like a mini USB cable for recharging your headphones. and you can see here on the left cap you get also a 3.5mm jack if you want to use your headphones as you would use like without Bluetooth, or just like you want to use like a normal headphones, but when you use like the 3.5mm cable to listen to your music, there is no noise cancelling, just to tell you. I might say this, like, it can be a bit pricey, around $300, maybe less, but still you need to consider this as a premium product, so it's like you really pay for the quality that Bose is giving in your hands and your ears, if you might say, and that's like, I think it's totally worth it, the price that you are paying for. So as a conclusion, this is like one of my favorite headphones there. I want to try many more, but this is like what I use on my daily job, 8 hours straight sometimes, and really make me focus very well. The music is super good. The audio experience is super good. I can stay focused. I can listen all my favorite music, my podcast, and most of all, I never feel overheat or like kind of sweaty using for multiple hours straight. So yeah, I can just advise you to use these headphones, and now I'm going to listen like to my next track. Woo! Hope this video was helpful and you like this tech review. There would be like many more, but in that case you need to subscribe to my channel. Click this like button if you like the video. Click the notification bell so you will get notified when more tech reviews are coming, and go and listen my video using this like amazing headphones. So until then, until the next video, see you, bye, have a great day.